The numbers don't lie. 1 + 1 or 2. If the one can't stretch to the 2, we can't create any miracles. We have to be realistic about our situation, right? So side hustles come in. That's important. And I like the fact that you both are taking control of it and say, look here, the money have to come in. I am in control, and let me go and explore some side hustle. I must have a talent, I must do something where somebody else will pay me to do it for them. Right? There must be something that I probably take for granted and say, oh, but we can do here very good. But somebody's willing to pay you for that. That's additional income you can get to put towards having extra money so you can save and invest. Because the aim is to maximize how much money you have to put in your investment. Because without the investments, you can't be wealthy. So we can't have a situation where it's tight and you say, I'm just not about to invest nothing here. You're going to end up going through that rat race, and we don't want that. So the rule that I have that I teach persons, some people probably know it already, 50-30-20 rule. Very simple, very easy to remember. 50% of your income must go to your needs. That the needs are, I need to pay this or it will cut off. That's how you can help to understand need. I need to pay this or else it will go cut off. Or else bailiff will go come after me. That's when you know, okay, this is a need. Then 30% goes to wants. These are, want to me here, want go out, want go watch a movie, want go beach. That's 30%. Anywhere the 30% come, it stop there for that month. Into next month. And then 20% is what we use now for saving and investing. We have to make sure we maximize. If the 50-30-20 too short, we have to bring in side hustles. But it's on us to make sure that we are investing every month. We have to.